So, would you like to get started and create your very own Patreon account? So, whether you are a creator looking to monetize your content or a fan waiting to support your favorite creators, Patreon is the perfect platform to connect and grow your community. So, let's get started. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so you can get access directly here into Patreon and have your account totally for free. So, I'm going to show you both ways how you can get started here into Patreon. So first of all, I'm going to sign into Patreon. So once you click down below in the description, you might see the home page and click into the option that says sign up or get started. Now into the home page section, you can sign up using your email address or connect with Facebook, Google, Apple account. For a quicker process, I'm going to choose the Google account and choose the TechSpress channel that we currently have. So now here have the enter details and hit now to sign up. So to setting up your creator profile, once your account is created, you'll be prompted to set up your creator profile. If you're just willing to use Patreon as a supporter, what you can do is to focus directly back into the patreon.com and your username should be created right away. That's as easy as just to sign up. Now, focusing directly into the actual section of the Patreon for creators, what I wanted to do now is to choose a creator name. So this is the name your Patreons will see, so make sure it represents your own brand. We can add a profile picture and cover images, and we can even have access to the autopilot. The autopilot can be helping us to check out stuff which is, let's say for example, for people who want to get started. For members from autopilot, we have free member upgrade offer, we have discounts, we can add gifts and much more. So to get started, first of all, let's focus into the left part and go for my page. You can see this is like a preview of what people might be looking at. If you go for preview your page, this is how it should be looking. So in this case, I have to choose my membership. Here's 25 month join. You will have access to 1, 2, 3, right? Join for free. Here's my image, my profile picture, my banner. So I'm gonna just close this, go back into the creator view, and now let's get started with my actual channel. So in this case, I have TechSpress at the headline, patreon.com, and much more. So let's focus here into set a cover. And now here, I'm going to go for my downloads. Now in here, what I need to do is to choose a banner that can help me to understand, let's say, what is the best cover that I can create. What I can tell is to use applications of graphic design. For example, there is Canva. Canva is a totally free place where you can just get started and do a lot of stuff there. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is just to create one design here. I'm going to add a new one here, and let's say for example that I just go for applications and start adding my own elements. So I'm not going to be focusing a lot into how to create a profile picture or how to make your, in this case, your banner. So I'm just going to upload my own images so you can take a look into how it actually looks when I upload my own stuff. So I'm going to go here. I can change my colors. I'm going to hit now into save, set a cover. And as you can see, what is important here is to check out how it actually looks your stuff when you are creating your pages. So in this case, even what you can do is to set up a color to check out how actually going to be looking your Patreon. In my case, I'm going to try it out with something like this. There we go, and go for save. Now you have just set it up your stuff, we can now move on into the next step, which is the tires. Now, tiers are different memberships levels that Patreon can subscribe to. So each tier can have different benefits. For example, here is a tier that you can just get started with. So here, for example, we have a profile picture. I have a page, my first public post, publish my page, and tell the people what this is actually about. So for example, this Patreon is for a book called The Fox and the Rabbit. Now, this is a really important part. Everybody who wants to start here into Patreon as a creator, of course, wanted to add money. So to add money, this is how it actually works the highest. So ways to earn money: Patreon is free space for you and your friends to connect directly, grow your business too. It's easy to offer exclusive access to your work. So if I get started with selling digital products, I go for get started. And here what you can do is to add digital products for the Patreon. So let's say for example that this is a book. When I finish my book, I can sell this as a digital product. So what I can do is to start by adding the digital products here into add products. So for example, here's the title, the price, the description, the product file, some previews. I agree to the Patreon terms of using privacy policy, and much more. So usually this is how we can handle it. Now the other option is to focus into the memberships. If I go here into shop, let's go for membership now into the right side. Usually, what I can truly recommend into the paid and membership tiers is that you incentivize people to tell them what exactly are the benefits of being here into the membership of the project, right? So you can connect your payment information. Once you've finished with all of these payments, just focus into the left side. Into the left side, you have the paste, all the stuff that you have edited. The library where you can check out all your posts and all of it, how many people check out and everything, right? You can see the audience, how many people check out your page and all of that. My insights of my page, the payouts, promotions, the community, notifications, and the setting of my page. Patreon. Don't forget to promote your Patreon page across your social media, website, and all the platforms where you can just stay active with your audience. And there you have it, guys. That's a complete guide of how you can create your Patreon account. Then you can just focus later on into, let's say, adding your own tires, adding your own information, your own collections, check out your membership, recommendation, and much more. So if you want to check that out, specific section of Patreon, you can listen to the comments below and see if we can just send you a specific tutorial of this subject. So if you find the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you guys for watching the video, and well, see you next time.